What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to GBall Vision. Thank you for stopping in. Today I have a couple of different unboxings to dig into for you guys. Before we get started, double check and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I would love to have you here. And before you head out, do me a huge favor. Hit the thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it, everyone. Really helps get these videos pushed out there so more people can see them. And feel free to let me know what you are carrying in your pockets today down in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. So let's take a look at this very first package, and I'm pretty stoked about this one right here. If you've been following along in the EDC updates, you'll have seen an item that is very similar to what we're about to unbox. Real Steel Evolution, incredibly good knife, guys. Link down in the description for it. So what we have, guys, I'm always on the quest for new gear that makes sense for me, that I'm actually going to use. I've kind of got out of the habit of just buying random stuff that I may or may not use, right? And, whoop, bumped the camera. The new camera. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? So what this is, guys, is the JRW, and this is their brass keychain holder, basically. I forget what they call it. I don't know if it's on here, but it's from a company called JRW. If you've been around, you probably have heard of them. If you are new, JRW makes a lot of high quality EDC gear, and I believe all of it is made right here in the US of A. This is something I bought. It was not sent in. It's something I bought. I wanted to check out. But this is a solid piece of brass right here, guys. And your keys, basically, will just slide right onto this guy. We can, yeah, let's go ahead. I wasn't going to do it, but let's go ahead. So this is from a company called Keyunity. And I accidentally, so I was going to buy this. And then I remembered, oh, JRW has clips too. Because I was looking at this first, and then I was like, oh, that reminds me of that. I mean, they're not the same, but they're similar. And I was like, oh, I'll just get that. Well, I bought this, and then later on that night, I forgot that I ordered this, and then I bought this. So I ended up with both. So the way this works is you slide this guy around here, pull that through, and your keys are going to hang there just like this. And you can leave them go just like this, or they send you an O-ring that you slide up around here and down here and then pull it across and pull that up there. I don't know if we want to attempt that right now or not. I guess we can give it a shot. I don't know if I will. Well, I guess if I'm putting it on here, I'm going to use it at this point. But you slide this around, boom, 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 down. And then let's put that up there. Boy, can I do it? That might be kind of tough. How do you do that? Like that. Oh! Focus. Come on. I had it. Alright, one more try. If I don't get it. That's how easy it is, guys. You're right there, dude. Alright, one more. I can't let. Boy, that's killing me. And you can't really bend that over. Oh, it was right there. I don't like this thing anymore. It's right there, dude. Oh my God, I got it. Look at that. I freaking got it. That about gave me a damn heart attack. I had to do it, guys. I'm sorry if you left. Oh well. But I couldn't let this thing defeat me. So, that is how it goes, and that is how easy it is. This was much easier. This opens up like this, and you slide the keys in, and that springs back. I've been using this for about a week now and have not had a single issue with it. I really enjoy it. It's definitely more minimal and going to be lighter because this is solid brass, but not heavy anyway. But this key unity is probably going to be sticking around. I'll try to remember to link this down below as well. They're on Amazon, and I've seen them in my local hardware stores, actually, or one of my local hardware stores, which is pretty cool. They started out on Amazon, I believe, and now they have worked their way up into reputable hardware stores with a bunch of different gear. Next up, we got this Furid wallet, and this company reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in checking out one of their wallets, and I said sure. Why not, right? I think the extra wallet that I have been using, I absolutely love it. So we'll see how this one works, but hey, it's like a bifold. It's going to be very similar. Is that oh, that's a money clip. Okay. And then this is magnetized. Some sort of like leather with like a faux carbon fiber look to it. I'm not 100% sure what that is. Quality materials, 100%. Exquisite. Slim wallet. Pop-up wallet. Lifetime warranty. Doesn't say. It feels like leather. I wonder how they get this pattern in here, though. And then there's a slot here. Okay, there's a slot here. And then here, you're going to be able to put cards down in. And you'll be able to use this little lever here. And this will shoot and disperse your cards out. We'll have to do an individual video of this guy. And I'll have to get him loaded up. And does that fit in there? No, it don't fit in there. Must be bigger than your average card, huh? Oh, and then there's 2 spots here. So they got this thing decked out. So you got a slot here. You got several here. One here for your license. And then 2 on the front there for quick cards you need to get to. Company's called Furid. Minimalist meets style with slim wallet. And they seem like a cool company. I chatted with them for a little bit. I actually found the email in my junk folder. So I almost, didn't even get a chance to, check this thing out. And next up, we have the O-clip coming in from Olight. So shout out to Olight, shout out to Furid for sending this stuff over. We'll do an individual overview and review of the Olight here. And we'll do an individual review of the wallet as well. So this is called the O-clip. And they insisted I check this out. Little charger back there. The O-clip ships in lockout mode. To unlock it before first use, press and hold the switch for about 1 second. Okay. Fully charge the battery before first use. So it's going to be a very simple user interface. You turn it on, and then you just hold the thing down, and that will cycle through your lumens. We're going to do a full overview of this. This definitely looks cool. Does that spin? No, it don't spin. I guess it really don't matter. Like if you're going to clip it on like the neck of your, your shirt or something. Huh. Very lightweight for sure. A versatile clip on light with multiple fixing methods. How's there multiple? 300 lumens out of this little guy. 100. So it's 1.5, 10, 100, and 300. And then it's got a red light. Max throw, 70 meters. Whether you hate Olight or you love them, they definitely are innovative in what they do. And they are always continuing to kind of push the boundaries and come out with just all kinds of stuff. I mean, they got micro lights, small lights, medium, large, lanterns of all different kinds. They're coming out with all kinds of stuff. So and they do it really well. So you got to give them, credit where credit is due. And they do a good job with their product line for sure. And moving into knives, they have really started to incorporate quite a list of products that they have there. So we got the Furid wallet, we got the Olight, and we got the JRW clip there. Couple of awesome products, and we will be doing EDC updates with this stuff included. I will be switching over to this to try it out, see how it goes. We'll be testing and reviewing that in an upcoming video, and I will be including that in further EDC updates, of course, and I'll let you know which one I prefer and why, if there is one that I prefer over the other as far as the Key Unity and the JRW. You guys will have to let me know what you guys think of the wallet, the clip light, and the keychain organizer. I like these guys because I use my keys all day, getting into certain properties, locking properties up, and then of course, my stuff for at home. So I'm constantly putting these on my belt or my belt loops, taking them off, putting them back on. So having this kind of access and security between these two clips has really been clutch the last week or so that I've been using that clip. So I'm expecting this to do the same thing. We're going to see, and I have a way to really compare two similar styles, but yet very different as well. You'll have to let me know what you think down in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. I always appreciate that, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Have yourself an awesome day. Thank you for watching. Go check out one of these videos, and I will catch you on the next one.